Welcome to Networks Professionals.
Hey everyone, and welcome. Today we're jumping into something that could be a serious catalyst for your career in cloud computing, the AWS Certified SysOps Administrator certification. If you're looking to really make your mark in the tech world, then you are absolutely in the right place.
So here's the thing, right? We all know AWS is the #1 cloud platform out there. It's huge. But how do you actually prove to a potential employer that you have the chops to manage and operate on it? How do you make your resume stand out in a pile of hundreds?
And that, my friends, is exactly where this credential comes into play. Seriously, think of it like the master key that unlocks the door to a real, hands-on career in cloud operations. All right, so what exactly is the AWS Certified SysOps Administrator Associate? Well, in a nutshell, it's the official stamp of approval that says, hey, this person knows how to deploy, manage, and run applications on AWS. We're talking about the whole shebang, from security and networking to making sure everything is performing at its best. It's really designed for system administrators and cloud engineers, and honestly, it's a fantastic starting point if you're looking to get into the whole DevOps world.
Okay, but why this certification? There are a bunch of them out there, right? What makes this one such a powerful tool for your career? Let's get into the nitty-gritty of why it's so valuable.
Okay, this is why it's a total game changer. First off, AWS pretty much runs the cloud market, so these skills are in super high demand. Second, this cert is recognized globally by top tech companies. That means better jobs and, yep, better pay. But here's the most important part, I think. It focuses on practical, real-world knowledge. It proves you can actually do the work, build the infrastructure, troubleshoot the problems, not just talk a good game, and employers absolutely love that.
All right, so let's say you're on board. You're thinking, okay, I want this. What's the actual roadmap? How do you get from here to certified? Let's pull back the curtain on the exam blueprint and map this journey out.
So this is basically your study guide right here. Take a look. The biggest chunk at 20% is monitoring, logging, and remediation. And that makes total sense, doesn't it? Because in the real world, knowing if your systems are healthy and knowing how to fix them when they're not is priority #1. You're going to want to get really comfortable with tools like AWS CloudWatch. So use these percentages to map out where you spend your time. It's a lifesaver. And here are the quick and dirty details. You've got 130 minutes, it's multiple choice and multiple response. So watch out for those select all that apply questions. It'll cost you about $150, and you need to hit a score of around 720 out of 1,000 to pass. And once you've got it, it's good for 3 years. Boom. No surprises. Okay, so how do you actually prepare? Here's your 6-step roadmap. You start with the fundamentals, of course. Then you dig into those core topics we just saw. But I really want you to look at step 3. Get hands-on practice. This is the big one. It's critical. I mean it. You have got to use the AWS free tier and actually build things, break things, fix things. Theory alone will not cut it. After that, yeah, grab a good course, slam those practice exams to find your weak spots, and then do a final review. Stick to this plan, and you'll be in great shape. So, you did it. You put in the hours, you passed the exam. Now what? What does your future actually look like with this certification in your back pocket? Let's talk about the cool career doors this thing opens up. Right off the bat, you can start looking at jobs like Cloud Support Engineer, System Administrator, or AWS Operations Engineer. And that's just the start. As you build up some real-world experience on top of the cert, you're looking at a launchpad to bigger roles. Think Cloud Engineer, DevOps Engineer, or even a Site Reliability Engineer. It really builds a clear career ladder for you to climb. Okay, one quick but really important update here. You might see the name of this certification changing. AWS is evolving it to AWS Certified CloudOps Engineer Associate starting around 2025. Now, don't panic. The key takeaway is that the core skills, the stuff you're learning, it's pretty much the same. The demand is still sky high. It's really just a name change to keep up with how we talk about modern cloud operations, so no worries there. And let's talk money. The return on investment. While this is going to vary based on where you live and your experience level, the salary potential for certified pros can easily push past $120,000 a year. That's pretty significant. It just shows you this isn't just about learning cool tech. It's a direct investment in your financial future. So we've walked through the path, we've seen the career boost, we've even talked about the salary potential. The only question left is the one right here. This certification is a clear, structured, and super valuable way to build your skills on the world's biggest cloud platform. The door is wide open. So, are you ready to walk through it?
Thanks for watching.